How to add follow button on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you add follow button on your Facebook page. So let's get started. First, as you have to just open your Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the top left, tap on your profile icon. From the profile section, as you have to just tap on the three dots just at the right hand section of edit profile. From here, I will show you my default profile view as I'm not here getting the options for follow. To add the follow button from the profile settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option turn on professional mode. After you tap on that, you'll have to confirm all of the configuration. Simply tap on turn on. Alright, follow all of the procedure from here. Tap on next. Choose your default audience and tap on next. You can review your selection, tap on confirm. Again tap on next. As you can also add a profile frame or you can skip this. And that's it. Now you are done. You have successfully converted or switched your account to professional. Now after you open your Facebook account and when somebody will open your account, will see a follow button like I will show you on the view as. As you can see, the follow button is added on your Facebook. Likewise, you can also add it on your Facebook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.